Hello, welcome to Greyhound Automotive. We have a 1978 El Camino. Has a salvage title. It does have some rust. It's good for a project for somebody or somebody that wants to need it for parts. Does have a trailer hitch. It is missing the headlight bezels. Has a brand new starter on it. A friend of mine tried to get it to run. It would not start. It does crank over. Believes it's a timing or a wiring issue. Believes it's either a 350. He was saying maybe a 400. He said it has camel hump heads on it. I don't know. Well, it has a cam or anything. Some parts have been changed. Valve covers, oil pan. Looks like compressor and the booster has been changed on it. And even the torque converter underneath looks like it's been changed.